Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest app features in a simple, fun way. Today, we're diving into how to see history on Snapchat in 2025. With Snapchat's constant updates, accessing your old snaps, chats, and stories has never been easier or more nostalgic. Whether you're trying to relive a funny moment or find that important message, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your device. Head to your App Store, update if needed, and open the app. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. That's the Bitmoji or your avatar. This is your gateway to all your personal content. Now, to view your memories, which is where Snapchat stores your saved snaps and stories, simply scroll down on your profile page and tap on Memories. You'll see a grid of your past snaps. Tap on any to watch or download them. Pro tip: you can search for specific memories using the search bar at the top to make things even faster. If you're looking at chat history, go back to the main screen and swipe right to open your chat list. Select the conversation you want, and you'll see your past messages. Snapchat keeps most chats available, but remember, messages that weren't saved might disappear after 24 hours. In 2025, Snapchat has added a History Archive feature under Settings. Head to your profile, tap the gear icon for Settings, and look for Chat and Story History to access archived content. One common issue is if you can't find something, double-check your privacy settings or ensure you're connected to the internet. And if you're on a new device, log in with the same account to sync your history. There you have it. Viewing your Snapchat history is straightforward and a great way to cherish old moments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite Snapchat memory. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.